Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to connect Visual Studio Code to the MySQL database with PHP in your local computer. I will also show you how to insert, delete and update record in your MySQL database table. So guys, let's start. So friends, first of all, I am going to start my XAMPP control panel application to run PHP in my local computer. So start Apache module and MySQL module, and I hosted my project file inside XAMPP and htdocs folder. Go to your Chrome browser and right here localhost, click enter. Now click phpMyAdmin. To create a new database, click on the databases, and here write the name of your database. I am going to write XAMPP as a database name and click on create. Our database has been created. As you can see, now we need to create a new table inside the database. Write any name of table, the table name users, and here the name of the columns. This table will contain 4 columns. After that, click on the go button. So you can see that our database table has been created. The first name is ID. So we are going to insert the following information into our database table. The first information is email ID, second is phone number, third is password. The name of second column is email, column is for phone, and next column is for password. So the data type of first column is integer. Now set this column auto increment. Will increment automatically for each new row in the database table. The type of email is word character. Let's set the length of the email is 100 character. The type of phone number is also word character and length of phone number is 16. The type of password is also word character. I set the password length to 55. Now scroll down and click on save button. So our database table has been created. This is our database table. Table name is user. We are going to create a PHP program to connect with MySQL database and insert data into the table. So first of all, I am going to set the variable for the database. The first variable is host name. Host name is localhost. Username is root and password is an empty string. So my database name is XAMPP. Now I am going to write the SQL statement to connect with the MySQL database. MySQLi underscore connect, and inside this function we have to write the parameters. First parameter is host name, second parameter is username, third parameter is password, and last parameter is database name. To check the database connection error, there is an function in MySQL. If there is an error while connecting to database, MySQLi underscore connect error, then die the execution of the program and display the error. There was an error connecting to database. Else, if database connection is successful, then the following error will be displayed: success message, successfully connecting to database. I am going to display this message at the above of the registration form. Display this message here inside this div echo. Already write the CSS class to display the success message. Let's copy this CSS class and paste it inside the div element. Let's refresh the form. You can see that successfully connecting to database. Now I am going to insert the user data into the database table. First of all, the SQL statement, the insert into user, which is the name of the table, and these are the column names: email, phone and password. And we want to insert the values in these columns. The first value is for email. I write any random email. The second value is phone number, and the third value is for password. If I am going to run this query, if MySQL underscore query is successful, the first parameter of this function is database connection, and the second parameter is SQL statement. If this SQL statement is successful, then this success message will be displayed: data saved successfully. Else, if data was not saved, then this error message will be displayed: error, data saving error, try again later. Let's display this error message at above the registration form inside this div. Inside this div, we are going to display the error message. Echo command is used to display any information. I have already written the error class. Let's save it. And refresh the form again. The data saved successfully. Now refresh the table. So the data successfully saved into the database table. Now next, if you want to insert another row of data into the table, again repeat the same query and change the value a little bit, password to, and again refresh the form and refresh the table, and second record has also been inserted. Now I am going to update the data in the database. Write the SQL statement, update keyword, and name of the table, update table, and set keyword. Set the email value, and we want to update this email address. Copy this email and paste here inside the single quotes. Now we have to write the where condition. Update the data where id is equal to true. Now refresh the form and refresh the table. You can see that the email address has been updated. Now I am going to delete the record from the database table. To delete the record, write the delete keyword, and from the table name is user, where the password value is password 2, where the password column is equal to password 2. This will delete the entire record against the id2. You can see that the id2 record has been deleted. If you want to delete any specific value of any column inside the database, to delete a specific value of database table, write the update query, and we want to delete this phone number only, and set phone number field is equal to null, mean empty, where id is equal to 1. Again refresh the form and refresh table. You can see that the phone number has been deleted.